Hello students. In this lecture video, I'll be discussing about the mechanism of concentration of the filtrate. Now, how this concentration of filtrate is happening in the previous video I had told you. Now, let us refer to that mechanism. What mechanism is called? So, in the loop of Henle and vasa recta, these two are the tubules where maximum concentration of filtrate is happening. In the last lecture, I told you in the video that in the descending loop, water is moved outside, and in the ascending, water is absorbed and the electrolytes are moving outside. So the flow is in the opposite direction, counter current mechanism. Current is flow, mechanism is the process, and counter means opposite direction. So this exchange or this mechanism is called as counter current mechanism, which is explained over here also. Then the different U-shaped capillaries which are running across this limb, across this loop of Henle is vasa recta. Here also exchange is taking place. Second is this. And third is the urea recycling, which I told you that in collecting duct, urea will be reabsorbed, again reabsorbed by this ascending limb, and again recycled. So these three are the mechanisms for concentration of the filtrate. So here the point to be noted here is that because the descending limb, it is releasing water outside, so it is the filtrate is being concentrated. We can see in osmoles per liter, the concentration is measured. From 300, it increases to 400, then 600, and finally 1200. Then you can see how it is basically, removing the sodium ions. You can see over here. Yes, so the concentration will decrease now. Yes, inside it will become from 1200 to again 300. Then coming to the regulation of kidney function, here three main points you have to understand. Regulation is carried out by hormones through hypothalamus, through a protein from the juxtaglomerular apparatus, and again one factor in the heart. Now let us understand what happens. Suppose there is excessive loss of fluid, which is called as diuresis. If excessive loss of fluid is there, then what will happen? The blood volume will decrease. GFR, the glomerular filtration rate, will decrease. This is going to stimulate the osmoreceptors which are present in your body, and it will give signal to hypothalamus. It will release a hormone, ADH, anti-diuretic hormone.